Something really huge is happening in European higher education right now. This whole European Universities Initiative is connecting schools in ways we've never seen before. But it's also created a massive, massive challenge. So let's dive in and break it down. The vision here is just wow. We're talking about these transnational alliances creating joint programs, making it easier for students and staff to move between countries, and really just fostering this deep, meaningful cooperation. The end game? A truly unified European education area for the future.
And the scale, it's honestly staggering. This isn't just some small pilot program. We are looking at a network of nearly 650 higher education institutions all across Europe, all working together in these new alliances. But, as you can imagine, an initiative this big comes with some equally big challenges.
Which brings us right to the heart of the problem, the one thing that every single one of these alliances is wrestling with, the challenge of recognition.
I mean, really think about it for a second. You've got all these different universities, different languages, completely different educational systems, all trying to work together. So how on earth do you create a system of recognition that's consistent, that's trusted, and that actually means something to everyone, everywhere within that alliance? Look, traditional diplomas are absolutely essential. Nobody's questioning that. But they just weren't built for this new, super dynamic world. They're often rigid, they're tied to one single institution. What these alliances really need is something different. They need a system that's flexible, that's built on a foundation of trust, and that creates real coherence across the entire network.
And this is where a really powerful new solution comes into play. It's time to talk about open badges.
So what exactly is an open badge? Well, put simply, it's a secure digital image, but it's packed with information. It has verifiable data baked right into it. What you did to earn it, the specific criteria you met, who issued it, and even the actual evidence of your achievement. And the best part, it's built on a global standard, which means it's completely portable. You own it.
Now here is the crucial point. We have to think way beyond just a digital version of a paper certificate. That's not what this is about. For these European alliances, open badges are so much bigger. They are, in fact, a tool for governance, a brand new way to structure and manage recognition itself.
So you're probably wondering, how does this actually work in practice? Well, it takes a whole new framework, one designed from the ground up to build shared trust and recognition. This model is both simple and incredibly powerful. Okay, so first, the alliance as a whole gets together and sets the standards, the shared framework, the criteria. Then step 2, each individual university issues the badges locally, so they keep their autonomy. And the result? A badge issued by just one university now carries the weight and the endorsement of the entire alliance. It's the perfect blend of central coordination and local execution. And here's where the real-world value kicks in for the student. They can collect these badges and, with a single click, share them directly to their professional profiles, like on LinkedIn. And from there, anyone, a future employer, another university, can instantly verify that it's authentic and see exactly what skills it represents. It's immediate proof. This quote from a real success story just cuts right to the heart of it. It's all about connecting learning directly to employability. See, this isn't just some academic exercise. It's about giving people real, verifiable proof of their skills that is understood and valued out in the professional world. And this approach, it's not just about solving an immediate problem. No, this is about building a truly sustainable foundation for the future of these alliances.
So, why does this matter so much in the long run? Well, because a shared framework like this makes all the achievements of the alliance visible and tangible. It provides stability that goes way beyond short-term funding cycles. It helps forge a stronger common identity. It deepens the trust between partners. And at the end of the day, it pushes the entire European education area forward.
And that right there is the key takeaway. Adopting a shared recognition framework is what allows an alliance to truly evolve. It's what helps it move past being just a series of temporary projects and into a lasting, long-term institutional transformation. And that is the ultimate goal. So by creating this system, these alliances aren't just issuing credentials. They're doing something much more profound. They are building a shared language of skills and achievements, a language that can be understood across borders, across institutions, and across entire industries. They are literally laying the groundwork for the future of recognition in Europe.